Curie engine cutoff confirmed.
Apogee is 576 kilometers, perigee is 574 kilometers, and inclination is 99.45 degrees.
Fantastic news there from Mission Control. Curie has shut down at the expected altitude. We have about 25 to 30 seconds now until that first deployment for NASA.
Payload deployment confirmed for NASA Starling 1.
And the deployment sequence has begun with the first of 4 Starling satellites for NASA out of their deployer.
Payload deployment confirmed for NASA Starling 2.
That's number 2 out of their deployer. We have 2 more 6U CubeSats for NASA coming up, followed by the 2 3U CubeSats for Spire at 575 circular.
Payload deployment confirmed for NASA Starling 3.
Number 3 there for NASA, the 3rd Starling CubeSat out of its Maxwell deployer. 1 more to go for NASA, and then the 2 3U CubeSats for Spire.
Payload deployment confirmed for NASA Starling 4.
And that's all 4 NASA Starling CubeSats deployed. Now it's time to deploy the 2 Spire satellites, which should be in quick succession here any moment now.
Payload deployment confirmed for Spire 1.
Fantastic news there from Mission Control. Payload deployment confirmed for Spire 1. We have the last 3U CubeSat for Spire coming up shortly, and then we'll have another coast phase briefly, followed by the SFL deployment at about T plus 1 hour 45.
And payload deployment confirmed for Spire 2.
Excellent news again from Mission Control. Spire's 2 3U GNSS-RO CubeSats have been successfully deployed from Electron's kick stage, which of course marks the end of our first of 2 deployment sequences.
The payload for SFL today is out a little further than the other satellites on the mission, so the Curie engine will reignite 2 more times to get to the proper orbit. This will be a bit of a long one. We will be back at about T plus 1 hour and 44 minutes to give the final updates.